Hey, this is Annie Fernandez-Parker from Cultivating the Learning, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up for EdPuzzle, which is a piece of software that enables you to embed questions into existing YouTube videos or videos that you yourself create. So we're going to go to edpuzzle.com, which you can see up here in the address bar. And it'll bring us to this screen. So we're going to hit the sign up because we haven't signed up yet. And then as a teacher, I'm going to hit I'm a teacher. And I'm going to choose to sign in with Google. You don't have to, but it's just easier. And then I have to fill in some name, and I can choose a password if I want. This part right here is the part that is important. If you get a referral code, you and the person who referred you will get 3 extra videos. And that's important because the free version of EdPuzzle only gives you 20 videos that you can work with before you have to start deleting them. So if you don't have a referral code, you can use my referral code, and it is 1Q6, T as in Tom, G as in girl, X as in X-ray. Again, 1Q as in queen, the number 6, T, G, X. If somebody can give you a referral code, that's good for you and for them. You each get 3. But if you don't have one, you and I will both get 3. And then I'm going to agree to the terms of service. You want to make sure that you've read them. And then I'm going to hit create new account. Now, EdPuzzle wants to keep track of you by school. So I'm going to set this one up. And I'm going to set up my, here I can select that, and I'm going to set up my, for me, because I'm a coach, I'm going to say other, but for you, like if you're art history, then all of your movies, your videos will be tagged for art history, so it helps for organization. And you're going to hit, I can hit other, and then I'm going to hit join school. So now I can communicate with other teachers that are also in my school. So that's convenient, right? So now my account is set up, and in the next video, we are going to go over the lay of the land.